All right, Monroe Street. Got a eastbound coming, and this crossing supposedly also has a remaining Type 1 on the Flint sub. And I think I could see it coming around the bend. Should activate Main Street any second now. And yeah, I also chased this down at I-69. I saw it right beside me, so hope you guys enjoy. It's going pretty fast, so hopefully my phone doesn't die either. There goes Main Street. Hear it booming. Pair of 100th anniversary units. That's pretty neat. Alright, I see the end. It's a pretty short train. Oh, never mind. Those are flag cars. I see the end. Kind of a shame how the bells are only wired when the gates go down, but oh well. At least the GS Type 1 here still works. Alright, this is going to be a part 2 to this video because I just looked down the tracks and heard another horn in the distance, so there is another train coming, and I think this is the one that I chased on I-69. So I'm going to film this at Monroe Street again. I'm going to put this into a two-parter. Main Street just activated, and here's a new camera angle. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me... Apologies for the glare. Whoa! 5 units. That's a lot. Main Street. Here it is. Is she gonna go back up or? The crossing hasn't gone back up yet. That's weird. Go back up. Oh, there it goes. I don't know why that took forever. Slight little malfunction. Like the other crossing further down, gone back up first before this one did. So, must have confused it. The fact there was like 2 westbounds in the matter of like 5 minutes, so. So yeah, that right there is your double train action at Monroe Street and Lapeer. Hope you guys enjoyed, because I sure did. But I guess with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and head home, charge my phone, and yeah, head home from school like I originally planned.